Touch is what connects us to the world, and at SynTouch, we have developed breakthrough technology to record the human sense of touch. The BIOTAC's design and performance is remarkably human-like in how it feels and what it can measure. It can detect texture, deformations, and even temperature, just like your fingertips. Our team has carefully engineered all of this into a robust package that is about the same size as your finger, too. SynTouch's tactile sensing technology has enabled new applications in robotics with surprisingly human-like capabilities and performance. We have integrated this technology into several robotic hands and have been the best-selling tactile sensor in the research market since the BIOTAC's debut in 2010. Over this time, SynTouch has grown organically with minimal outside investment, funded by early customer sales and government research contracts to explore the many applications of robotic touch. As one of SynTouch's leading research projects, we have been developing intelligent prosthetic hands that can feel and react to what they are touching. The ability to respond to touch enables amputees to delicately interact with their world, both effectively and intuitively. Parallel to intelligent grasping robots, we have been developing new ways to quantify how surfaces feel. To a consumer, the feel of a product has a tremendous influence on the perception of its quality. We have been working with leading haptic display companies to innovate new ways to play back the sense of touch that has been recorded with our technology. As SynTouch's primary and fastest growing market, we enable manufacturers to measure and understand how their products feel. The TOCCARE is a specialized instrument that explores surfaces by touch and measures 15 different properties that define how that surface feels, with a greater precision and repeatability than humans can. These instruments are now being used by several leading companies to engineer new products that have an optimized feel. This information can even help online shoppers understand how their products feel. The sense of touch is what connects us to the world, and we can measure it. Join us for the future of machine touch.